Alright guys, good afternoon, and we are here right now at Cabahug Street, Mandawi side still, but we're crossing Cebu in like 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and now we're here in Cebu City. Yes, yeah, we were in the boundary, by the way. So here we go. It's Friday afternoon here in Cebu. The sun is up and the weather is quite fine today. Ganina it was raining a bit in the morning, but now it's totally fine, totally okay. It's hot. hot, H-O-T. But yeah, so today we're gonna talk about sports. Last night, so many basketball fans woke up like 2 a.m. to watch the Philippines battle Lebanon in their FIBA World Cup qualifiers game. The Philippines lost, but it was a fun game to watch. I think they lost 85-81, and yeah, it was like the first FIBA game of Jordan Clarkson. Yeah, officially is the naturalized player of the Philippines. So dapat di na siya naturalized, but yeah, FIBA has their own rules. So Jordan Clarkson isn't considered a local, no matter how much he loved the Philippines. He's still considered, sort of like a naturalized player. So sige lang, but yes, good game. I mean, we lost, but yeah, it was a pesky Lebanese side, and mga good points lang is, Kai Soto is back. We've seen Kai Soto as kita na sa nagbalik ni Kai after his takaybaw na yung road trip, zoom niya, asa na siya niabot ba. He's been all around. He's been in Australia, he failed to get drafted in the NBA, and many thought that it's like in limbo, but finally we've seen him. Kumusta yung form? I think he reached double figures, though. Yeah, he still have a hard time playing with veterans. He could be pushed around with stronger players, but well, you can't really you can't argue with his height and skills and basketball IQ. Nalang siya usahay para nako, and I see him. Yeah, somehow dali siya ma-discourage ba. He should, learn to move on fast and hold his elbow up high. Don't slouch his shoulders. But yes, and also the game showed how good Dwight Ramos as well is. So kuan kayo, hindi ang performance of Dwight Ramos. Jordan Clarkson was expected to be kuan, but the Philippines had 21 big TOs or turnovers. So dapat, yeah, maybe more games together, they'll be more familiar with each other. But nevertheless, for me, it was a good game. I know a lot of people got mad because we lost, and diba, for them it's a big loss, but for me, no. Sakto man sa si Chot Reyes, in a way it's no bearing. The World Cup qualifiers are no bearing games for the Philippines, since we are the host and we are guaranteed a slot. But on the other side, we don't like seeing our country losing, diba? Yeah, ever since like Chot Reyes is back, they've lost more games that they're expected to win, diba? And that's not good. I mean, it's not good. We can't just say accept it na lang pirmi, diba? Diba? So pero pwede sa kinahanglan, they have to listen to the people also lang, diba na? Maybe, yes, maybe. Pero I don't know. Lisod na sad kaay lagi. A lot of people say, well, clamor for change, fire Chot, but then we will be back to practically zero once again, diba? So kung maginiana ta, diba? So might be good, but when we're back to zero again, and then we're gonna blame i-blame because we change coaches na sad. So dili Ano ba? It's gonna be a merry kuan. Kapoy ng Gilas. Sometimes like there's always gonna be an adjustment period if we're gonna change manilisod. Although yes, people can see a lot of contrast sa tukang Tab Baldwin but not time. Baldwin is really, in a way he's genius. I mean, he can maximize his players. Nice. I don't know. I expect a lot of things with Ateneo this time. I mean, they don't like to lose. There are people, kanimang tawhana, I know they don't like losing, and then they'll be expect a brutal war sa UAAP sad. With teams getting stronger, and then Ateneo maybe weak parang Ateneo, but come next year probably their recruiting class is like scary. Diba? Scary. I mean, Baldwin's a good recruiter plus good coach. Nagkuha lang ba? He knows who to choose sa iyang system. So, mora na ikuha lang ani. May challenge yun sa Philippines na what can they do? Also, nasa impending threat sa ang mga other countries, like they poach our players to play in their pro leagues, sometimes making travel difficult to go back to the Philippines because they're, especially now na nagyan po yung mga restrictions. So sorry ha, I know ang iba hindi ka relate ani, but yeah, sports is life. Somehow basketball is still life here in the Philippines. Daghan po mga fans ba, we care also. We care as much as we care sa among mga beauty queens. We also basketball is like our first love. Even if it's just a dream ba na murabag may mutang world beater, or sometimes gali may yung pipe dream ng mga NBA na Pinoy, or I don't know, probably someday, and dapat unta na because we love basketball so much, and it's so sad not seeing our Filipino. Well, Clarkson's there, but kanang Filipino na homegrown, dili nagdako or something like that. Dili gyud nagtubo ba. Like Kai unta mato na siya NBA, and that would really open the doors and hopefully the floodgates of Filipinos to go there and succeed. So we are here at Cabahug Street pa rin. Traffic is pretty sick. It's a Friday, I guess. But I don't know, sometimes it's just the traffic light. I'm gonna blame the traffic light or the cars that are not turning right, lining up on this lane. Dapat para ning lane na sa mga mo turn right, diba? So mao lang yun na. Hopefully mao na ito makuanan. Kusad worried kay kuha na mga kuha doon. Word does traffic ba kay traffic wastes a lot of time. Maulagi na kanalagi mo linyag di mauna lane sa muka na nila. This lane should be for people na mo turn right kay malangan tang tanan kung padung di ka diretso linya ka diri napaday mang labang, di ba? So well, anyway, man ta sa sports. I think pa day napay nindot ro ng duwa is game 3 of mga game 3 of San Miguel and Talk and Text. So nindot sa na duwa. And the Gilas will be back playing karong Monday. Monday they'll massacre the Saudi Arabians. But yeah, that's the time that Jordan Clarkson can showcase his offensive skills. So, ang problema ang Pilipinas, I think we don't have much problems with offense. I mean, we have a lot of shooters, scorers, yeah. We even have more options now na mga alley-oop plays lang kay and shooting outside. We have shooting big men now. We have guards that can score. I mean, who can score like Clarkson for one, Ramos. Oh, di ba? Nindot kayo tanawon ay mga guwapo mga yung tanawon mga Pinoy. Oh, skuray lang, yeah. Pero sometimes the defense na ang kuan. Ang key, I think, is defense. So how can we defend world-class players? How can we defend Giannis Antetokounmpo? How can we defend, let's say, Nikola Jokic? Diba? So mga question lang ana. Because we have an offense. Yeah, maybe we can find a way to score, but defense, can we find a way to stop? Diba sa Lebanon naglisod ta. Mas pa mga Australia atong kontra, kuan, iwan pwede ato lang sumbagayon pero we have to kuan. I mean, mga defensive intensity. And I think gabit yun mga type of players like Scottie Thompson, mga two-way players who can score but couldn't really defend also. Physical and defend like Roger Pugoy. Like, he's good, can do it. Silang Ravena, I think Kiefer is quite undersized. And I think ato tang Dwight Ramos, nindot yung build ni Ramos. Maybe 30 sa iyang position lang, mana shooting guard maybe, but he's not really like a real shooting guard. It's more like a small forward. So kuan gyapon. Challenge gyapon. So nata diri sa Pope John Paul II Avenue. Traffic gyapon, but sige lang. At least you see some different places there sa Cebu. You can drop shift. So mo ni at least idagan ng traffic. Pasensya lang usahin na medyo ngit-ngit, but now it's the afternoon. Pero malining, ani ka challenging sometimes na itong traffic, and pasensya lang yun ta. Just have to be patient because eventually you'll get to your destination. Diba? Pero sige lang. Na ay na. Karon pa ni dagan ang traffic, yan stop na ang light. Oh my goodness. Marabag hinay gyud ang traffic that, but sige lang. Sometimes nagikuan ba? Anak pa mo cascade diri. Mo cascade ang go, like stop na dito sa corner, but karon pa ni cascade ang go diri. But well, anyway, that's traffic. That's life. It means also na traffic's back. People are out. School is open. Schools are open, and then kids are out. May pamuhi, but they'll be out in a bit. So yeah, school year now. We're in a school year. All right. Oh, come on. Okay. Kaya po tayo mabuhat at tanta stop. Hinay mo guning pikas lane kaya na truck na nagkuhan. Backing. Okay. Another stop. So finally makaliko na ta. We're back. We're now here at Archbishop Reyes Avenue. Lang, I'm just showing you different roads because, for example, yesterday I showed you, mga Chavez, Chavez, Katuna, diba? And then there were other days na Colon, diba? Yan na ba mga cool na kayo na lugar ba na, because there was a time na balik-balik lang ko, diba? Puro na SMC side by the reclamation area. Ayun lang. This time di tayo nga na lahi na sad para di mo mabore. So you can see also Cebu. I mean, the different parts of Cebu, the familiar and not so familiar. Although not right now we're passing by mga major roads lang inining. Although yeah, if you have been to Cebu for quite a while, probably it's also unfamiliar to you. Ano ni padong sa Ayala, guys, there's a flyover, Ayala flyover to the right. Nagian lang nato is Majestic area. Ambot na unsa ni Majestic mo naman ikiguba na. So ngano traffic mo sa diri noon padong flyover, I don't know. Oh no, because someone made a crazy U-turn. Right? Pilawas na naman. Sahay mo pag may tao bitaw sa tulay, una lang ilabang. So puzzling kay ba? But yeah. Okay. By the way, na bagong series, di ba? Ang Game of Thrones na House of Dragon. I don't know, pa ko kakita actually because unlike before na makita lang nimo bisag asa na HBO, kinahanglan mag HBO Go karon. Yeah. Ana ko Netflix, happy na ko sa Netflix. But yes, well, some say it's epic yun sad ko no. Kuan sad ba? It's been fantastic the show. Yeah, you love Game of Thrones. It was somehow, while a lot of people got disappointed with the ending, diba mo pa mga happy ending ng Game of Thrones ba? Or makalagot sa kitong mga kontra ng mga White Walkers. Well, it's really a beautiful series, but they have their own world. Diba ka namang may anak ko na epic yung pagkahimo, big budgeted, with some crazy creatures at mga like dragons. Kuan kina ba? Kuan kina ba? Taas yun ng hype pa na. I mean, especially mga Pinoys, ganahan yun kita ng mga ingana. I mean, naanatag mga pinatypical ba na super na production ba, like Game of Thrones or like yung mga Korean na mga period films nila ng mga series nila na based ng mga a different time and place. Pero man, interesting ko no. I don't know. Tell me about it kung naman masturya ako pagig ko papakuana. So we're gonna cross now going towards Queens Road to Redemptorist Church. Muna magdidagom-dagom. But now, yeah, traffic's pretty fine in this area para dito sa itong giligihan. So nakalusot ko tapos murabag mga crazy part ng traffic. But probably may traffic na gamay balik dito sa Juana Osmeña. Pero yeah, laban lang as they say. Mga gini-term na to, laban lang. Ako, derailing aura. So mana diri mi tigsimbahan pirmi kani sa Redemptorist Church. Mana actually I got married in this church. And ako ba? Pretty awesome. Gikasal ni ko diri na minyo ko diri. So muna, this is like the Friday drive in Cebu, and I hope dahil mo tanaw sa kong videos, and let me know bitaw na mo'y ganahan ako suruyan, no? See, traffic na sa diri na side, so mana akong maingon ba. So but we'll end here dito na sa STC area, the St. Teresa's College na area, back gate, and we would love to continue this drive, pero taas na sa din na video ba na it's almost 20 minutes, so it's time to go. And thank you so much for watching, and yes, keep on supporting our videos. Tanaw mo, like, subscribe, and also yes, why not comment. Diba? Mag-ila-ila ta guys. So traffic na sa dire, but I don't know kung tayo pamuhi rin sa STC, but yes, traffic lang. Hindi pa dong sa baseline, but yes, we started our trip in Cabahug Street, Mandawi side, and then we went by Pope John Paul II, then Archbishop Reyes lang ta, then we end up here, going to Juana Osmeña lang. So mana guys, thank you so much for watching. Mana yung St. Teresa's nursery, kindergarten, grade school, junior high, and senior high. Juana sila college. So mana, and they have boys now. So thank you so much for watching, and enjoy kayo guys, and hope to see you pohon sa atong mga next videos. And salamat sa pagtanaw. Bye bye bye.